All right, just jump in. Here we go, kids.
I'm gonna make a note.
Mike, great crowd.
And coming back. 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got it, guys?
No. 5, that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're capped.
My name is Giuseppe Bosilio and I play Carbuckety.
Hi, my name is Jess Laplato and I play Mungo Jerry.
How difficult is it?
I know who you are. Just give me your name and who you play.
Well, it's a very tight costume. I'll say that. There's a lot of fur. There's a lot of yak hair that gets into our mouths sometimes, but that's okay. Yeah, it's. I mean, you get used to it after a while, hopefully.
But it's like the makeup is just extraordinary, and it takes obviously it's patience to understand the intricate details that each cat has in its own design. So, and it's really just a wonderful experience to dive into that, because I'm sure a lot of the men, I should say, when it comes to makeup, if I say so, I'm speaking for myself, only for you, but also for makeup, we're experiencing this firsthand in a new way. It's a brand new technique, and we're taking it in, and we've been very supported by all the wonderful designers on this team.
So the girls are giving you some tips?
About the eyeliner.
Yesterday, I got a Snapchat from a friend of mine, and she goes, "Can you teach me how to do your eyeliner?" I'm like, "Wait, isn't this supposed to be the other way around?"
Oh wow, she was asking you?
She was asking me. I was like, "Oh, all right. I guess I'm all right. I guess I'm all right at this right now."
Are you two Broadway veterans?
Yes, this is my 6th Broadway show.
This is my number 4.
So what are the other shows that you worked on?
I did The Boy from Oz, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Bye Bye Birdie, Newsies, and On the Town.
I was Billy and Billy Elliot. I did Newsies on Broadway and Aladdin, and now this is number 4, Cats.
So what's it like to, where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Switzerland. Yeah, Bern, Switzerland. Very long, yeah, very far away.
New Jersey.
Hey!
Hey, all right.
Oh.
What's it like to be around Andrew Lloyd Webber?
You're in the room with Andrew Lloyd Webber, or you're in the room with brilliance.
Yeah.
You're in the room with someone who has enriched audiences all over the world with wonderful music, and he's a powerful figure.
And I guess you could say he's got quite a bit of talent, you know? I mean, just like the changes he's making to the show are so good. Just like being in there with someone who just walks up and he goes, "You know what, let's try this, just play this and that."
Yeah.
And just like, it's amazing how someone can hear music like that, you know? And let alone compose it.
Yeah.
Everybody, welcome back to Broadway, my friend. If I didn't see you before, I'll see you.
We're very lucky. Very, very fortunate.
So listen, have a great show.
Thank you so much.
Tonight's your first preview. Just say it. Hi, Marilyn.
All right.